What if I told you there's a crypto project that doesn't just talk about gold, but actually gives you exposure to real gold mining power, and even shows you the daily gold production from the mines directly on the dashboard? Yeah, I know that sounds almost too good to be true, but that's exactly what I'll share with you today. I'll also explain how this platform works, and I'll also show you the real dashboard, the buying flow, and the staking part. And as always, quick disclaimer, this video is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my research and how I understood the project. Make sure you do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's get into it. So the project I'm talking about is called AYNI. It connects blockchain with a real gold mining operation in Peru. They are partnered with a licensed mining company called Minerales San Hilario, which has an actual gold concession and performs real daily mining activity. Instead of being just another token, AYNI built their system around the mining operation. The token is linked to the mine's processing capacity. That means as gold is processed at the mining site, the platform uses that data to support the token economy. And the rewards you get from staking AYNI come in PAXG, which is a cryptocurrency backed by actual gold. So you're not earning a random token, you're earning something tied directly to physical gold. Because of that, the project feels more connected to the real world compared to many other gold-backed projects that don't show much proof. Now let me break down how the AYNI system works in simple terms. Every day the mining company processes gold. They measure how much comes out, usually in grams, and that information gets added to the AYNI platform. So when you log into the dashboard, you can actually see the daily gold production update. It's data coming directly from the mining operation. AYNI then uses smart contracts to calculate how much PAXG should be distributed to people who are staking AYNI tokens. The more you stake and the longer you stake, the bigger your share of the rewards. The whole reward system runs automatically through the smart contract. Another part of the system is the quarterly buyback and burn. AYNI takes a portion of their fees and uses it to buy AYNI tokens from the market. Then they burn them, meaning they permanently remove those tokens from circulation. This reduces the total supply over time, and the burn transactions are posted on-chain so anyone can check them. Now let's talk about trust and safety because this part is really important. The AYNI smart contract has been audited by Certic, which is a well-known blockchain audit company. They also had a security review from PeckShield, so the technical side has been checked. On the mining side, the gold concession was reviewed under Canadian exploration standards, which is a serious level of verification for mining projects. AYNI uses a non-custodial model, meaning your tokens stay in your own wallet. But when you stake or withdraw, you do need to complete KYC. That's standard for platforms that deal with real-world assets. The best part is the transparency. AYNI updates the mining numbers daily. So you can open the dashboard and actually see the gold production update. This made the project feel more open and easier to trust. Now let me take you into personal AYNI account so you can see the actual dashboard from a real user's perspective. When I log in, the first thing you'll notice is balance. I currently hold 1,000 AYNI tokens, which is worth around $250 at the current price. If I open the mining calculator on the right side, I can test different amounts. For example, entering $100 shows me how many AYNI tokens I'd receive. It also lets me choose different lock periods like 1 month, 12 months, 24 or more months. The calculator updates the estimated allocation and mining efficiency based on real-time data. Now let me walk you through how the platform looks and how everything works. When you log in, you'll see the AYNI price, the PAXG price, and your balance displayed clearly at the top. Below that, there's a simple layout showing your holdings, staking, and rewards. Buying AYNI is really easy. When you click Buy AYNI, you'll see different payment options: crypto, Binance Pay, or bank card. If you choose crypto, the system will show you exactly how many AYNI tokens you'll receive and the network fee. If you choose Binance Pay, it takes you to the Binance confirmation page instantly. The process is quick and beginner-friendly, so even someone who's new to crypto can follow along easily. Once the tokens are in your account, staking is also very simple. You click Start Staking, choose your wallet type, and select your staking period. AYNI offers different terms, from 1 month all the way up to 48 months, and you only need $100 worth of AYNI to get started. Rewards are paid every quarter in PAXG. The APY depends on how the mining goes, but some historical examples have shown around 30% APY on certain terms. Since the rewards are tied to real mining activity, they fluctuate, but they're based on something that's actually happening. Stakers also get special access to mineralese.gold, a private area with deeper mining reports, updates, and long-term plans from the mining operation. There's also an opportunity to visit the mining site in Peru if you're an active member, which is something you don't see very often in the crypto world. So to sum everything up, AYNI is one of the more interesting gold-related crypto projects I've come across lately. It's simple, it's connected to a real mining operation, the rewards come in a gold-backed asset, and the dashboard gives you daily updates that make everything more transparent. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown and you want more easy to understand crypto content, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.